To me, affiliate marketing means just a life that I never expected or I believed that I could have. I remember a few years ago just going to a store and I couldn't buy milk for my kids because my debit card got declined because I didn't have enough money. I ended up filing for bankruptcy. I think I just appreciate that journey more now because it didn't come easy to me. I'm just happy that I'm here even though it took me 3 years. There's no limit with affiliate marketing. That's the beauty of it. So yes, affiliate marketing means just everything to me. Having family, it just motivates me so much. I want to be able to take them to school, to pick them up from school. I don't want to be away from them when they have, baseball, softball, my kids play sports. I want to be present in their life. I had a bunch of part-time jobs. I used to work at a casino. I was a blackjack dealer. I did banquets. I was a lunch lady at a school. But I was always looking for something to do online. And none of the part-time jobs wouldn't allow me that. I didn't want to go and work 9 to 5. It just doesn't work. That's not what I wanted. I've been seeing ClickBank online for years. I even looked at it, but I just really didn't know what it was. In February 2020, I went to my first ever live event. One of the speakers showed us exactly what it is, how to pick an offer from ClickBank, how to put an ad on Facebook promoting that offer, and that was it. Like 2 days after going home, after that event, I started my first campaign, and everything just, went from there. I remember my first sale. I was promoting a dog training offer. I had 2 ad sets going at $20 each per day, and I thought it was so much money to be spending on ads, and who knows what's gonna happen. I was watching my Facebook and ClickBank account probably every 5 minutes, checking if I get a sale, and I did, and it felt kind of unreal, like I can do it. I can sit home and make money on Facebook. When I saw it, I was crying. It was happy tears, but I got very emotional because I wanted it and I was working for it and it happened, and I was crying happy tears. I didn't even think that I was going to hit platinum, to be honest. It seemed just so far away. I got invited to go to Platinum Summit, even though I wasn't platinum yet. I was picked as a promising gold affiliate. I felt like once I got selected, I felt like I'd better reach platinum because I felt like, they believe me, they trust that I have what it takes. It gave me another motivation. Before the summit, I had 60,000 in sales, so it was June last year. And after the summit, I more than doubled that amount, and I finished the year going over 200. January 23, so this year, that was my first 100K month. And then it got more real, I could feel it. I knew it was going to happen, and it happened. My name is Izabela Fukano, and 10 days ago, I became a ClickBank Platinum affiliate. Just being platinum, it makes me feel really good about myself. It just, the confidence that I have, it's like, I can do it. I did it. At my age, this is just the beginning. That's really how it feels. Being at Platinum Summit was an experience of a lifetime. Just being surrounded by other affiliates and successful people, there's just something special about it. It's really hard to explain. I met vendors, I made connections with a lot of vendors, I met other affiliates way bigger than me. I think the coolest thing was to realize that they're just regular people. And they all started kind of like me, not knowing much about affiliate marketing, and see how far, they could go with this business model. It was cool to see. They just, again, regular people, and we all started, with the first sale. Experience of a lifetime for sure. From my first sale on ClickBank to reaching Platinum, it took me 3 years. Anyone can do affiliate marketing. You don't need experience. All you need is really a lot of, motivation. I don't even know how to call it. Just you have to want it. Like for me, again, it was just the decision that I made. I made the decision that I'm gonna do ClickBank affiliate marketing and nothing else. I didn't give myself I didn't give myself a way out. So that's what I would say. Just commit 100%. And again, never give up.